Hey everybody, welcome back to Suzanne Subscriptions. As you can see, my May Trunk Club box has arrived, so stick around and I'll show you guys what I got. Okay, when you get your box and you open it, you get your bundle, but you also get a little pamphlet that kind of gives you the breakdown about Trunk Club. So for those of you that are new to Trunk Club, just real quick, it's a clothing box subscription service that you can have sent to your home. It comes via UPS, and you get to try on the clothes in the comfort of your home. You have 5 days to try them on, and then you send them back in the box that they came in via UPS. So you can call UPS, schedule a pickup at your home, or if you do have a local UPS, you can drop it off. And then they even give you little pieces of tape to tape the box back up. So it's pretty darn easy, and that's why I really do like it. So the thing that I do like about Trunk Club is that you get a preview of items that your stylist has already, picked for you, and you get to view them on your phone, online, and you can either approve them to have them sent to you or reject them. And so this month, I didn't get a lot of time to give my stylist really any specific feedback of what I was looking for. It's just kind of been a hectic month. So she sent me the preview, and honestly, I ended up rejecting probably more than half of the items. They just weren't something I was looking for. And again, she didn't know because I didn't give her any place to kind of start from. So I'm hoping to see that she sent a few more items. So I'm not ending up with just like 2 or 3 items. I can already see in my bundle there's more. So it's kind of exciting to get that mystery of what else might be coming. Okay, so let's get to seeing what I've got in my box. So right away, I've got this big bundle of clothes, and you can see they send them all individually packaged and wrapped, which is nice, but it takes a little time to get those all out of the bags. And then I also see 2 boxes of shoes. So I'm already excited to kind of remember what items I approved from my preview list, and then see if she sent me some other items that are going to be kind of a mystery and a surprise. Now that I got everything out of its little package, let's see what I got. Basically everything that I saw in the box so far is very spring-like, which is great because it's finally feeling like spring up here in Minnesota. So I'm excited to kind of see these items closer and then try them on, of course. Okay, so the first item is this really cute sleeveless white blouse, and it's got some really cute detail. It's got these cute ruffly sides on the arms, and then it's got just a cute, back to closure with this detail. I really like it. Now the material isn't very, isn't stretchable at all, so we'll see how that goes. But overall, this is a great blouse to wear under cardigans or a blazer at work, so I'm excited to try this one on. Okay, then she sent a pair of jeans, dark. This is a dark wash for sure, and I do like darker washes. And so I'm excited. This is, they look like they're skinny jeans, but they're stretchable. And, me and jeans never work, so I'm always looking for a new pair of jeans if they fit, kind of that perfect fit. So we'll see. Okay, now this next item I'm not too sure about. It's really thin. It's really spring, slash summer material. So it's this cute little, it's cute looking, and it's got a little tie. This, it's really thin linen material. It's cute. I just don't know. I'm gonna have to try this one on, but right away it's like, so I suppose. We'll see. And now the next one I know I'm gonna like 100%. This is a pink blouse that I already own, one in black, and I love it. I think I probably wear it almost every week to work, which would be nice to have another one to add to the collection. And this is a cute pink spring color, and I just love it. I love the way it flows. It has this cute detail on the back, and because this one's pink and not black, you'd be able to see this detail a little bit more. The black one, you can't really tell from farther away. And then it's just got, 3/4 length sleeves, and it button down top. Basically, I just slip it over every day, but that I wear it. But I really like this, and I'm excited that they sent me another one because I know I love this style already. I don't know if it's weird that I'm going to have two shirts that are exactly the same but just different colors, but you know what? When you like something, you might as well go with it. The next item I got is a dress, a spring dress, and again, really cute detail. I'm very impressed with these already. Just loving the detail on this, the lace. And it's got a cute waistline, and I'm sure, you know, even the bottom looks cute. I mean, look at that. It's so spring-like. I mean, it looks a little bit like a tablecloth that I own, but still, it's very cute and would be nice to wear at work. So I'm hoping this one works as well. Okay, so I got another cute dress sent to me. This blue, kind of striped in a V pattern, then down. You know, it's very cute. Back is even cuter. I mean, look at this. It's got a bow. It's open, you know. This isn't something I'd wear to work without a cardigan over, but it's definitely something for like a spring wedding. I don't have any going on this year that I would go to, but very cute dress just from the look of it. I just don't know if I'm going to need it, but, you know, I'm going to try it on. If it fits good, you never know. So this next item is just a blue kind of dress shirt, but in a linen material, and it's got the full-length arms with these colored sleeves. You know, it's kind of the take on a men's blue dress shirt, but a linen material. I'm sure it's very soft and light to wear in the spring/summer. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Right off the bat, it looks like I'd have to iron it, and I don't do ironing. Okay, now this next one, I've never worn anything like this. I don't even think I've worn this when I was a kid, but it's basically a jumper, and I'm sure it's in fashion, and I've seen people wear them, but I doubt it's going to fit me the way I would want it to be fit, and it's really this cream ivory / color. It's basically a jumper, you know, I believe is what it would be called. It's $128, so it's expensive. I mean, it's probably cute. We'll see. This one I'm not sure about. Okay, then the last item of the clothing pieces is another pair of jeans. So I like this color already. Again, darker wash with a little bit of this fading here. So we'll see how these fit. I'm always, like I said, looking for another good pair of jeans. So we'll see. Okay, the last two items I got are a pair of shoes, 2 pairs of shoes. And so these are the first one. So these are flat sandals, leather sandals, really cute color. They look really cute. I just don't know how your foot, because it's you know, it's not a real stretchable leather. Only right here is the stretching part. So, you know, sometimes these don't always fit the great around the ankle. So I'll try them on. They look very good quality. They smell good. The leather smells great. I love that smell. But you know, right off the bat, I don't have sandals like this. I don't really love things over the top of my, I don't love sandals that go above my top of my ankle. So we'll see with this pair. Okay, the next pair of sandals are these. They're cute. You know, look at that heel. You know, thick heel, which I do prefer. Got great zipper detail, and look at the detail in these shoes. Very cute, open toe. I just don't wear shoes like this. I'm going to have to try them on and see how they look, but they're very cute, just not my personal style. Okay, I've tried everything on. I had 11 items, so let me tell you guys what I thought. Okay, then there was this cute, and I really love this white blouse, kind of with these cute little ruffles on the sleeves, the short sleeves. Cute detail in the back. I really like this, but as you can see in this one as well, I'm having the same problem today where nothing's fitting in the boob region, and this one made me look horrible. I, you know, could definitely consider going up to a extra large. This is a large, if they have it. I do like it, and I do like how the arms looked. I really thought it looked professional, but yet springy. But I probably will pass, especially without trying it on in the store. Now, if I could go to a store and find it and try it on, it might be a different story. Just so you know, this one is halogen, flutter sleeve, crepe top, $59. And then the other pair of jeans, they fit, and they fit everywhere, you know, all right. I felt that the material was too thin, and too stretchy. They weren't going to be super flattering after you're warm for a few hours. They're just going to continue to give, in my opinion. Just too stretchy of material. You need a little bit more jean. That does have some stretch, don't get me wrong, but these don't do any type of holding in or, making you look a little slimmer, which is what I'm always looking for. So these were from Wit and Wisdom, super smooth stretch skinny jeans, $74. Okay, then we have this colorful, kind of multicolored V-neck top, and as you can see, same issue where it just doesn't fit in the boob area. And those V-necks that go really low don't look that appealing on me. Maybe I'm wearing the wrong bra, I don't know. But this was called a refraction top stripe for $59.50, if any of you liked it. Okay, so the item that I knew I would probably like, because I have the one in black, is this NYDJ. Let's see, it's called a pleat back blouse in a light promise color, and it is only $39.83, and I think that's down, especially with the 83 at the end. This must be kind of on sale, because I'm pretty sure I spent closer to $50 on the black one back last year. So this one, while, it's probably not as flattering as the black, because, black, I never can go wrong with black. I do like it. I can see myself putting a cardigan underneath, or a cami underneath it, and wearing it, even with a skirt. So I'm gonna get this one. Okay, so kind of going with the theme of this box, my BB Dakota lace dress, really cute, loved it. Just wouldn't zip up the back, so I'm having issues with the boob region again, where it's just not zipping at that phase. So this one's a no-go, but it's super cute. In case any of you like it, I'll tell you the price. Reese ruffle lace dress, BB Dakota, $105. Then the other dress, this was really cute, loved it, just wouldn't zip up the back. Super cute though, so if somebody else out there likes it, this is from Gal Meets Glam Collection, Samantha Sub Stripe Fit Flare Dress, $158. Okay, then there was the classic button-down blue shirt, and as you guys can see, it just didn't even fit me, especially in my boob area. That's where I always have problems with these button-down shirts. But for those of you that might like it, it is from Treasure and Bond Drapery Classic Shirt, $69. Okay, and then I knew I would not like the jumper. Just doesn't have this material, linen material, just doesn't, and then they put pockets on it. I get you want a jumper with pockets, I get it, but you gotta make the hips a little bit wider if you're gonna fit a girl like me. So it fit, just fit, and the pockets look all stretch and weird, so I'm definitely not gonna get this one. It was cute to try on though and see, because I don't think I've ever worn a jumper, so, oh well. And this was from Madewell apron ruffle jumpsuit, $128. Then we had the jeans. So these were the slink jeans. These were, let's see, the skinny stretch denim jeans from Slink, $71.43. So those maybe are marked down too. These, as you can kind of see on my try-on, very stretchy, too stretchy in the stomach area. They were tight in my thighs, even in the calves, and then super loose up in the stomach area. So these were just a weird cut for my body type. So these are a no. Okay, and then the last sandal, while I thought they would be too tight or odd around the ankle, they actually fit really well. Almost a little too loose around the ankle area, where my foot might slide, especially if it, gets wet at all. You happen to be on a rainy day, your foot's gonna really slide. It's a cute sandal. It's making me rethink the style. I just don't think I'd buy this one, even though it looks like it's very good quality and the leather does look very nicely made. This is a Blanca sandal, $134.94, so too spendy of a sandal for this kind of flat for me. But like I said, it looks like a good brand and good quality. I'm going to have to, maybe try on a few different ones at my local DSW. Okay, and then when I unboxed the shoes, I got this cute Vince Camuto shoe, and this is called a Sternet sandal, Vince Camuto, $119.95. At first, I didn't really like it, and then I tried it on, and I definitely, it grew on me, but I've been actually wearing it throughout the whole video here and seeing if it will grow on me even more. And honestly, when I look at it in the mirror, you can barely see my toes and my toenail polish. And, you know, so it makes me look like it's all black versus showing off a little bit of my foot, especially my toenails and my polish. So I'm not going to get them because it's just too much material and not enough of skin for a sandal. But they are cute, and I really like the design and the heel, and they're comfortable, and they kind of give you some stability around the ankle even. Just after wearing them for, you know, a good half hour here now, I don't think I'd wear them. So that was my Maze Trunk Club box. Looks like I really only liked, and I'm going to get that one pink blouse that I also have the black in, so that's kind of a no-brainer, and I like the price as well, so I'll definitely get that. Other than that, it looks like I'm 1 for 11 this month. A little bit of it's my own fault because I didn't give my stylist any suggestions or feedback this month, so I got to get better at that. They just do it so quickly. They ask you, you send this back, and then literally it feels like in a few days they're asking me for next month's, and I'm just never prepared, so I got to do better this month. But overall, it was fun trying these pieces on. You know, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure to hit that like button if you like the video, and then make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified the next time I make my videos. But, you know, thanks for watching.